Welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. Today's main focus is going to be on yogurt. I'm going to be sharing two special recipes with you on how to use yogurt for facial or skin beauty recipe, giving you a crystal glass face. This special recipe will help clear the acne on your face and make your face smooth, supple, and you will have that baby face you have been yearning to have. First, I'm going to take a full spoon of yogurt. Here I have a spoon of yogurt and add 1 spoon of honey. The yogurt and the honey should be the same quantity. The same quantity of yogurt and honey, and mix. Let them mix very well. This is a very nutritious and very healthy and organic skin beauty recipe. Yogurt and honey. For the second beauty recipe using yogurt, I have 1 spoon of yogurt here, and then a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and mix. And finally, you break in 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Just 1 capsule is enough. You know, vitamin E is also called the beauty oil. Here you can see our yogurt, turmeric powder, and vitamin E oil, the beauty oil. This facial or skin beauty recipe will help make your skin very smooth, remove black spots, and give you the baby face or baby skin you have been longing for. After washing your face and drying your face, you apply this generously on your face in all the corners, including your neck, and allow it to stay for about 1 hour before you wash it. Just do this once a day, and within just 7 days, you will see absolute difference. Now you know how to make these facial beauty recipes using yogurt. The one with the honey helps remove acne and leaves your face very smooth. The one with the turmeric powder and the beauty oil, which is the vitamin E oil, helps clear black spots and gives you a supple, soft, and smooth face. Whatever one you choose to use, these facial beauty recipes are very good for your skin. It nourishes the skin, it heals the skin, and leaves you looking very young and beautiful. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please don't forget to watch our other interesting video tips on beauty and hair care. You can also follow our Facebook pages on Zara Beauty Recipe or Zara Niger. Don't forget to share this video and also give it a thumbs up. Thank you.